Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. If you are looking for a video to show you how you can log in into your Yono Bank account, this is the right one for you. First of all, just go to your then on your search bar just type for Yono Bank login and hit enter. After doing so, now after the result pops up, click on the first link. It will redirect you to the SBI Yono Bank account. And here you can see there is a button for continue to log in on the right side of your screen. Just click on it. And after doing so, a new interface is on your screen where you need to input a username and password so you can log into your account. Here you can see a new interface on my screen where you need to input your username, password and also fill this CAPTCHA in order to log into your account. Now after inputting a correct username and correct password as well, and selecting the type of CAPTCHA, that is image or audio, and filling out the CAPTCHA, hit on login, then you'll be logged into your Yono SBI account. So guys, that's how you log into your Yono Bank account. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.